Hello guys, this is the next video of Arduino tutorial. In this video you will learn about for, while and do while loop. So now let's start. So what we will learn in this video? We will learn simple for, while and do while program and flowchart diagram, how the program simple syntax, and with the flowchart diagram we can easily understand the program and pattern create using this loop keyword. So in this section you will see the for loop syntax, simple syntax. After start the program, the initialization statement of the for loop is executed only once. If it is evaluated false, then rest of the code will execute, or if it is okay, then the next test expression will check it is okay or not. If the test expression is evaluated to true, then statements inside the body of the for loop are executed, and after then the updated expression or the test expression is updated. So if the test expression is updated, then it's again check it is true or not. If the test expression is true, then it is evaluated to again. For loop body will execute and update the text expression. Like that it will run continuously up to test expression become false. If the test expression is evaluated to false, at that point for loop is terminated and the rest of the code will execute. So the next one, the while loop. So how does it work? At first, when while loop will start the program, the while loop evaluates the text expression inside the parenthesis. Means this while loop you can check also. See, this while loop or text expression will check inside the parenthesis. If it is okay, then it will run and the text expression is become true, the body of the while loop are executed, then the text expression is evaluated to again. If this text expression evaluated to true is become true, then condition means actually you can say while loop is checking only one time the test expression is true or not. If it is true, then inside the body of the while loop will execute, and again it will check after the while loop body executed, again it will check the test expression of the while loop. If it is true, then again it will run the condition within the while loop body. So like that it will go, the process goes on until text expression is evaluated to false. If it becomes false, then the loop execute rest of the code out of the while loop body. So this is the syntax or simple syntax of the while loop. You can assign your code in the while loop section and the condition in the while loop test expression. So next one I will show do while loop. How you can understand how do while loop works. So how do while loop is work? Do while keyword works in the same manner as the while loop, but the exception is that the condition is tested at the end of the loop. So first let's check the flowchart. At the start of the program, the do loop will run at least once. Okay, at the end of the loop it check the while condition. If it is true, then it will go to the do loop, or do loop body will means it execute the body of the loop. After then it checking the condition or while condition. So if all the conditions are correct, then if it is running continuously. If it is not, then If it is false, then the rest of the code will execute. So this is the simple syntax of these three loop body of the Arduino code. So done. So in the next video I will show the pattern program, because in this program if I will do, then this video will be long. That's why in the next video I will show the pattern program using for, while and do while loop. So see you guys to the next video.
If you like this video, then, for helping your friends, please share it, and please subscribe my channel for the more tech videos, and I will help you to tell you about any technology in a systematic way.